Now let's begin the uses of static resources in Lightning Web Components. So we will begin it by uploading the like graphics that we will be using in our LWC to static resource. Here we want to use our own custom logo or icon instead of this message icon or email icon. So in order to do that, what I'll do, I'll go to the setup, because before we start using the static resource, we have to first upload the images or any of the content that we need to use in our LWC to the static resource. So for that, I'll go to the setup. In the quick find, I will search for the static resource. You can see this option is there. You have to click on it, and all your static resource will appear on this page. Since this is the brand new org and we have no static resources available, therefore you are seeing none here. In case you want to create a new static resource, you have to click on this new icon, give it a name. I'll enter the name as generate underscore OTP underscore icon. You should be always be giving a proper name to your static resources so that it makes a sense and other users of your org can identify the purpose. And one more thing, the name of a static resource doesn't support any spaces or any other special character. In case you so you should prevent using them, and in case either you can have the name in this underscore format or you can have something like this, whatever is suitable to you, but I prefer the earlier version. I will also add a description for my static resource so that it makes it clear for others that why a particular static resource was created. So I'll add a description. This static resource will be used in this. I'll add my component name. So like that, for whatever purpose you are uploading a static resource on in your Salesforce org, you have to specify it in the description so that you can also remember. It is for your benefit as well, because after some time you might forget why you have created a particular static resource. And I will also add a one. Do not delete. Then from this file chooser or file picker, I'll choose my file. you can you have to just navigate through your folder where you have your resources. For now I have kept my resources under pictures LWC demo, and I'll choose my, it can be anywhere on your machine. You just have to locate that location and select your appropriate files and hit OK and click save. So once your static resource is uploaded successfully, you will see something like this, and the size will also be there. If you click on this view file link, you will be taken to your file, and as you can see I have uploaded this file with with a png file, and I'm seeing it here. So this is how you can create the static resource in LWC.